Stuck in the shop with your Detroit DD15 engine? Searching for answers on why it's running rough? Hard time firing off? Pulled codes showing high RPMs and low fuel rail pressures? You may be facing the common DD15 issue of a stuck fuel injector. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Get back on the road with a common rail fuel injector from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road with this common rail fuel injector for the Detroit diesel DD15. Lower emissions, higher torque, and better fuel economy. What more could you ask for from a workhorse of an injector? Each DD15 fuel injector from Highway and Heavy Parts has been fully disassembled, thoroughly inspected, and cleaned to perfection. All critical components are replaced and tested on the latest OE tooling and technology, meeting emission requirements and rebuilt with upgrades to the component and specifications. What do you get in return? Quality, reliability, genuine OE parts, and support from our ASE certified technicians. Backed by years of industry experience, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered from purchase to installation. With technical knowledge, quality products, and unbeatable customer service, Highway and Heavy Parts will keep you running for another million miles. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.